Hello, my lovelies. House of Beauty India was the first to introduce face tools to you because we want to revolutionize the way you look at skincare. If you've thought of Botox or filler injections, think again because we've got the perfect alternative. Non-invasive transdermal technology, which has a 99% delivery rate. What is it? What are these instant filler patches is the question that you're thinking of, right? Well, these are 0.25 mm dissolvable hyaluronic needle patches. Don't worry, they're not real needles. They're just serum infusing needles that penetrate to the deepest layer of your under eye or your smile line. I know 95% of you either have hollow under eye, dark circle issues or smile line issues. It starts and ends there, and these patches are the perfect solution. They're easy to use, just like a sheet mask. All you have to do is peel them off out of this packet like this. In this box, you get two pairs of 4 patches. 2 for your under eye, 2 for your nasolabial. How long do they last? Well, they last about 3 days. They will instantly plumpen the hollowness of your under eye. So if you're stepping out before a big day, just the way you apply your sheet mask, use these instant filler patches now. Men or women, how to use. Take them out of the sachet like this. This is what you get. Do not touch the dissolvable micro needle part. Just peel off from the white sticker on the side of your box. Peel off the white layer like this. Only half should suffice. Gently place it under the eye and peel the rest of the part off. Place it, do not press it or push it into your skin, just place and relax. Within 15 to 20 minutes, all of the dissolvable hyaluronic microneedles will get dissolved into the deeper layers. Wait for a couple of hours and see how suddenly after 2 hours your under eye is plumpened and feels fresh. No one can tell the difference, and it's a perfect alternate to fillers. So if you're stepping out before a big day or party, do this 3 hours before so that by the second or third hour, your under eye hollowness is filled and you can see the difference this patch makes. I hope you enjoy the latest in transdermal skincare technology, delivering results with a 99% delivery rate. Happy pampering!